Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share a homemade hair mask with you which will make your hair long, thick and shiny. A lot of you on my Instagram have been asking me to upload my hair vlog. This one's for you guys. My hair was long for as long as I can remember. It was very thick. Until a month ago, I didn't brush my hair for a week. So a big knot appeared on the back of my head. And I had to cut it. After cutting that knot, my hair became very thin. Finally, I've learned my lesson. I will take better care of my hair from now on. Add 3 cups of water in a pot. 4 to 5 tablespoons of flaxseed. Boil it for about 10 minutes. Take out the gel from flaxseed and add aloe vera in it. This is how my hair looks right now. Divide your hair in 2 sections and start applying from the roots to the ends. Keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. You can use this pack twice a week for better result. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video.